Welcome to my pretend cooking show. I just discovered that this Airbnb has a ventilator. Jan! This is oat latte from All Press Espresso. The oat latte tastes really different from the first oat latte that I had and the second oat latte that I had. I don't really taste a lot of the coffee, so the coffee's not that strong, but the oat is really strong. Hi. It will be a work from home day today, so not much. Welcome to my work from home day vlog. So it's lunchtime, and I'm just thinking what I should make. Potatoes. Let's get into it. Chopping up some baby potatoes because I am the Flash. I'm chopping up really quickly, almost burning myself. Clearly I know how to cook. Amazing bubble ASMR. And chopping up the bell peppers with my amazing knife skills that I have learned from when I was a baby. Gotta have a chip break. And lemondale prawns sizzling and just throw in some veggies and you're done. Yay! Here it is. Wow. So good. Didn't know I can make really good mashed potatoes, but... And here's a time lapse of me working and talking on a video call, but yeah, that's the end of the video. Tune in to the next one. Bye.